going on, YouTube? Thank you for checking out my channel, Drive Talk Cars. I'm your host, Ben. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't been here, thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't done so already, please click on the little red button called subscribe and click the little bell. That way you get all the future videos. All right, so we're going to, ooh, that's pretty dirty. I think I'm going to vacuum that. Yeah, let's vacuum that. All right, so that looks a lot better. All right, on to the installation. All right, so we have the kit. It comes with 2 LED strips, cigarette lighter, extender, which is good, and the cables. Looks to be pretty straightforward. And we have a hub. This is where I guess you plug everything in. This is what the app. So it's controlled by an app. I downloaded the app already. And I was shocked that it was still there. Well, not shocked, but I was glad to see that it was still there, being that I hadn't installed these in 2 years. So the app could have been gone. But everything seems to be in place. So let's pull it out, see what we get. Instructions. Hopefully they're good instructions. All right, so we got strip. That's long enough. What is this, about a foot? Yeah, 12 inches, because it says 24 inches of light. 2 of those. Got the cigarette lighter plug in. Like I said, I hope I don't have to use this. I would prefer to use just hardwire it. Oh, so I do have the cables to do that. Not sure where I would hardwire it to, because it doesn't have a fuse or anything. Or I guess the instructions will tell me, hopefully. Cables that go to the actual lights, the hub, pretty straightforward. Some 3M tape so you can stick this somewhere out of sight. So let's get started. All right, so we are now underneath the car, not the car, but we're underneath the footwell. I'm trying to find somewhere to stick the light strips. Not much space to put nothing up under here, but stick it across that. That seems to be a pretty good spot. All right, let's do it. All right, so slight problem. Fuse box is actually in the trunk, so I will not be able to hardwire until I get some more cable to run it longer. So for now, I'm just going to install it and then plug it into the cigarette lighter. Be done. For now. Fuse box in the trunk. So we have to revisit it. All right, for now we're just going to run it just to light it up. So let me put the strips on. So this particular brand is pretty dummy proof. So they have arrows, not sure if you can see it, but they have arrows on here that match up with an arrow on the cable. You just plug it in. Nothing too extravagant on that. Now, there's 4 banks here. There's 4 banks here, so maybe I need to check the instructions to see if there's 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Maybe they're different zones, but I think this does have 2 zones. So let me get the instructions. Okay. Doesn't say. Oh, here we go. Oh, so it's configurable. You can, perfect. All right, so let's just see if it works. I just want to see something. All right, plug it in. Bloop. Plug this into the cigarette lighter. So on the Camaro, they have a cigarette lighter in the middle of the console. So that's why I want to hardwire it. As you can see, it's in the middle of the console. All right, let's see if we have success. We do. All right, I'm gonna wipe the surface, get any dust and all that. All right, so we finished the installation, so let's see what it looks like. There it is, it's blue right now. Let's try red. So let me try the app. So let's see what we got here. Okay, cool. So it's got, you can glow, you can blow, blink, strobe. Don't want to do that. That seems. So this goes to music. Anyway, let's try the color. Red, orange. Let's go with red. Boom. That's what's up. You can control the brightness. We in there. I think we're good. All right, so another one in the books. Thanks for checking out my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for checking me out, and I'll see you on the next one.